Perched above the Pacific with cinematic sunsets and peerless privacy, welcome to Villa Alegria, a 7-bedroom, nearly 6,500 square foot Pedregal classic built in 1997 that embodies timeless Baja elegance across multiple levels. This custom villa offers sweeping ocean views from nearly every room and an effortless indoor-outdoor flow crafted for gracious entertaining. Inside, richly veined marble and granite anchor generously scaled living spaces, furnished with refined appointments and thoughtfully arranged for both privacy and gathering, while an exercise room and multiple sitting areas create lifestyle flexibility for owners and guests. Outside, a resort-style pool, an 8-person jacuzzi, and a terrace configured for alfresco dining for up to 14 set the stage for sunset soirees with the Pacific as your backdrop, complemented by intimate garden spaces, fire features, and a palapa for casual afternoons. Set behind the gates of Pedregal, with access to a private beach club and full community amenities, the villa has a proven 5-star rental history and strong income-producing potential, making it an exceptional blend of personal sanctuary and strategic investment. For discerning buyers seeking understated luxury, architectural presence, and turnkey operation in Cabo San Lucas, this is a rare offering. Private tours available this week. Link in the description to book.